Okay, guys, the first thing that we need to learn in Linux is how to open the terminal. And first, let's deal with the file memory. To open a terminal, we go to this window, the terminal, and click on it, and then the terminal will open for us. Okay, see. So here, the name of the user is Cali at Cali, which is the system itself. So Cali at Cali, which is the user and the system. So if we need to know what are we'll write BWD, which is home Cali. Okay. So if we want to see the files that we have, gonna be write ls list. So this is the folders or the directories. When we have a blue color, that means directory. See the home here. We have the same directories, the same folders. Okay. So if we want to list the file and know the permissions, so this is we will use it later. We'll do list dash L. That's the permissions, the user, the group, and so on. We'll talk about this later. If we want to see that the file, all the files, even the hidden file, we'll do list dash A, which is all. Even the hidden files will be shown here. Okay, these are which dot before them. That means hidden files. Okay, طيب. الآن عرفنا كيف نسوي الليست. List the file and then how to list the file with the permissions and list the file all the files even the hidden files الملفات المخفية كمان والفولدرات المخفية. الفولدر دائما يجي بلون أزرق تمام blue line. This is folder or directory. The white color, I'm sorry, means this is a file. Okay. Okay, guys. So now if we want to go into any one of these folders, so let's write here invest. For example, we want to go to desktop. First of all, all Linux are case sensitive. يعني capital small مشكلة. يعني أنا لو كتبت desktop بدي small ما بيتعرفش علي. ضروري أكتبه capital زي ما هو capital وسمول. So we would write cd, which is change directory. cd this top and then enter. Now we are in desktop. See, desktop home. That this sign means home. هذا العلامة اللي علامة المقدار معناتها الهوم. هنا في الهوم داخل folder desktop. We want to make sure we will do bwd. See, home Kali desktop. So we'll list the files. Here we have these files. This is normal file. This is a text file, and this is a shell file, which is with the green color. But I want to go to, for example, new one. I will do cd new one. Now I'm a new one. List we have clear new 2, new 3. Okay. I want to go back. I will do cd dot dot. That means go back. If I want to go, for example, cd new to, for example, yes, we have file cd new 3. For example, now we are a new 3. We want to go back to home, to the home directory. يصير نرجع للهوم دايركتري. دائما ركزوا على هذا. we'll write cd and the sign. هذا الساين اللي حق المادة وبس خلاص. نرجع على طول. we are in home. See, we are on the home. ms we are in the, okay. So cd this pub and so on. I'm sorry. See, I wrote it small. فهو ما cannot recognize it. ما عرفهاش. There is no such a file directory. زي ما قلت لكم, it's a case sensitive. So cd dust top and then I mean the stuff. الآن عرفنا كيف ننتقل بين الملفات, how to change directories, how to go from a folder to a folder and so on. طيب الآن if I want to make a directory, استعمل folder جديد, I will do empty dir and you'll make directory. Let's call it new 5 for example. Let me show you the desktop. We have new 1, new 2, new 3, and we don't have new 5. When I make it like this, see, we have a new 5 right now, okay? This is how to make a new directory. If I want to delete this directory, I will write type only rm, and which is remove directory, which is new 5, see, deleting. Okay guys, this is how to make a directory, how to remove a directory. How to copy a directory, you need to do like this. For example, I want to move this directory. Let's make 5 again, and we will move it into 3. MV and space, and then write the first name of the first one. We will write the name of the folder that we want to move, and then into which folder we want to move it. See, it's not here. If we open new 3, it's over here, okay? Okay, I want to copy it from here. Copy, not moving, from here to the desktop. I will write, let's first go to the directory, new 3, ls, we have new 5, okay? Copy, which is cp -r, and then write the directory, for example, new 5, and then the location. The location is gonna be ... which is back. If I want to make sure, I will write like this, the sign, and then yes, top from here. Okay. See, I copy it directly to big desktop. But if I know that desktop is one back, I will just write ... Okay. Right. Let's go really ... to the desktop. I want to make a file, a text file. When we want to create any file, we will write this command, touch. Let's call it touch new 3, okay? .txt, okay? See? This is the file. It's empty. If we want to write on this file, we will use cat, and then write the name of the file, new 3 dot, I'm sorry, cat is view, new 3 dot txt. This is to view what are the content. There are no content, so nothing is shown. So if you want to write it, I will write cat, and then this arrow, and then the name of the file .txt, and then I'll write whatever. Hello, guys. Okay, and then enter. After that, if I want to go back, I will press Ctrl plus C, which is cancel. Okay, we must write it before the after the enter. If I press Ctrl press C here, it will cancel the whole line. Okay, so I'm canceling the last line. Let's see if we can show it. New 3.50. See, it's here. Hello, guys. But this is writing with overriding. What's the meaning of overriding? If I use it again, cat new 3.txt, and say this is the file, and then enter, and then Control C, that means I will remove this and write this instead of it. Okay, so let's check it out. New 3. See, there are no text from the previous cat that we write. So if I want to write it without an override, I will use cat two arrows and then the name of the file dot txt, and then I will write hello. Yes, this is the file. Okay, and then Control C. See, I want to show it right now. Cat new 3. See, the previous one and the one that we wrote right now are on the file. This is writing without an overriding. This is write with overriding. Overriding means delete the previous and replace this instead. But without overriding, that means you write over and over the previous one on the previous one. That means you write next to below the text that we wrote before. Okay. If we want to search, for example, if I want to search for a word here, I will write grep, and then, for example, let's say the word hello. I wrote it here with double O, so it's need to be double O, and then new dot new 3. I'm sorry, new 3 dot txt. Happened over here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I wrote here hello with one L, so I will just fix it. Then let's see. See, it will find the word for me. Okay. Uh, this is how to make a file, a text file, and how to deal with it, how to write on it, how to create a file, how to do this. So until now, we are in the basics.